Today we are going to start with 14.6 question number 3. In this question we have to draw a right angle and we have to construct its bisector. We have to, bisector means half of it. Okay. So in this way, this 90-degree angle is called a right angle. This 90-degree angle, as you see in your clock, 3 o'clock. So how it is? It is a right angle. So that is your 90-degree angle. Okay. This 90-degree angle, we have to do the bisector of this. Bisector means just half of 90-degree we have to do it. So for that, first of all, we have to draw 90-degree angle and then we have to bisect it. Take your scale in your hand, all of you. Take ruler in your hand and draw a line. Take ruler in your hand and draw a line. Mark it as PQ. Mark it as PQ, all of you. Take O point in the middle of this line, PQ. Take O point. All of you draw PQ line. Any measurement line you can draw. Now take your compass in your hand. Without measuring it, any radius you can take and draw an semicircle. You can draw a semicircle like this. Put your needle on O point. Any radius of your compass you can take and make a semicircle. Everybody do it. And mark it as AB. All of you draw it up to here. Everybody draw it up to here. Draw a line PQ. Make a semicircle. Everybody just do it fast. Then we'll move further. Still, some students, your camera is still off. Turn on your cameras or I have to remove you from the class. I can't repeat the same instructions again and again. Yes, Chehek, right answer. Very good. You are drawing the same. Rest of you, start doing it. Make a semicircle. Laksh Jindal, settle down and start doing it. Make a semicircle of any radius. Bhuvi Tandon. Yes, Joel, absolutely right. Rayan Azhar Khan, Rayan Kumar, Avni Agarwal, Ridhima, open your camera fast. I am removing the children whose cameras are off. Ridhima, that is your first question. I'm asking about the third question. We are doing third question right now. Draw a right angle and then we have to construct its bisector. So please draw a line PQ, everybody, and draw a semicircle. Everyone. Draw a semicircle and now name it as AB. Okay. Now see here very carefully. Next part. Now you have to measure AB. With the help of compass, measure AB. Measure AB with the help of your compass. Measure it. Like this, you have to measure it, everybody. Keep your compass like this. Measure AB, everyone. Put your compass like this, everybody, after drawing the semicircle. Measure AB, everybody, with the help of compass. Measured? Yes, with the help of compass, measure AB. Yes, any radius you can take, Laksh. You can draw a semicircle of any radius. Measure it, all of you. Now see what you have to do next. Take more than half of it. Take more than half. More than half. Then cut an arc from B point. More than half. Cut an arc from A point. Yes, this way. You have taken more than half of AB. Then you have to cut from B point as well as A point and mark it as C point. The intersection point is known as C point. And draw a line, everybody. After that, draw a line Draw it, children, like this. This is a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle. Angle COQ is a 90-degree angle. Everybody just draw this. This is a right angle. Draw this angle, everyone. Draw a 90-degree angle, everybody. You can take more than half of AB, cut from B and as well as A point with the same radius, more than half which you have taken. Cut from B and A point. The point which is get intersected is called C point. Then draw a line. You can check with the help of protractor after drawing a line that it is a 90-degree angle or not. With the help of protractor, you can check after the drawing a line that this angle must be of a 90 degree, which you have drawn right now. Check it, all of you. Adit Goyal, are you listening? I told you to open your camera. Yes, right, check. Yes, Charvi, good. Keep doing it. Very good, check. Yes, Aradhya, good going. Yes, Bhuvi, unmuted. Just close up, give a close up to of your notebook, Bhuvi. Yes, Lakshjindal, right. Now learn how to do make the bisector. Learn how to make a bisector, children. After this, after drawing a 90-degree angle, all of you, this arc, you are seeing it, this one, the arc which is of a 90-degree. This arc, you will be measuring it after this on a PQ line. This is a line, just see it. This is an angle which you have drawn. Okay, this is 180 degree. The straight line is known as 180 degree line and the half of it is known as 90 degree. Now we have to construct its bisector, means we have to do the half of that bisector, half of that 90 degree. So what we are going to do, we are going to take these points. This is 90 degree angle which we have drawn. Both the parts are of 90 degree each. Okay, so this point and this point we will be taking, this and this point. See it carefully, B point and this point which we have marked, 2 dots. Now you have to put your needle on B point and measure it. Both the points. Measure this up to here. Just measure it. All of you, measure these 2 points. With the help of your compass, measure it. Measured? Everyone? Now see, we will be taking more than half of it. More than half. We have taken more than half of it. After measuring it, we have taken more than half of it. From this point and this point, we are going to cut an arc. For taking out any midpoint, we are going to take more than half of any 2 points which we need. Okay, so B point, we are cutting an arc. And from this point also, we are going to draw an arc like this. Okay. So this point, mark it as E point. So from E and B, you can cut an arc D. The intersecting arc is at D. So this line will be the bisector of OD, will be the bisector of angle COQ. Okay. This is a bisector of angle COQ. OD is a bisector of angle COQ. Got it, children? More than half of EB you have to take. Draw a line PQ and take point O on it like this. Then taking O as the center and convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects PQ at A and B both. This way. Now taking A and B as the centers and radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which are intersecting each other at C point. They are cutting A and B, more than half we have taken, and we have cut the point C. This way, and from here, this way. Okay. Now join is OC, COQ is the right angle triangle. Right angle. So taking B and E as the center and radius more than half of BE, draw two arcs which intersect each other at point B. So we have taken B and E, more than half of it, and we have cut these arcs at D point from B point and E point. Now join OD, and OD is the bisector of angle COQ. Drawn, children? Clear? Everybody is clear with this? In question number 4, you have to draw an angle of 153 degree and we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. It's a 153 degree angle, means it is more than 90 degree. So it will go outside the line. This line will go outside the line this way. Okay. And we have to divide this angle into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. So how you are going to draw this? First of all, you have to bisect into 2 parts. That means, as you have done in this question only, bisector, you have to create the bisector, and then for the half angle you have to create another bisector, and next half you have to create another 2 bisectors. Okay. So first of all, we are going to draw 153 degree angle, and that half of it, then we will be making it. After that, we'll just half of it. Okay. So first of all, let's start with 153 degree angle. How we have to draw this? Okay. So take any point, draw a line using a point. First of all, I'm taking this point as O. Take this point as O on your page. Okay. And then draw a line. Draw a line, everyone. This way. Mark this point as A point. Mark this point as A point. Take your protractor in your hand. Keep your protractor like this. This line should be touching this line. We are going to draw 153 degree angle. Because the line is this side, so that 90 degree will be drawn to the outside of this line. When we are taking the angle from A point, suppose, then the line will go on the right hand side. Right now, this line will go above 90 degree, that is on the left hand side. 150, then 3 points we are going to count. 1, 2, and 3. Count it and point it. And draw 153 degree angle. Like this, draw 153 degree angle. Okay. This is angle 153. Mark it as B point here, children. Angle BOA is equal to 153 degree. Okay. All of you draw it up to here first of all. Everybody, draw 153 degree angle. Everyone. Bhuvi Tandon, open your camera. Ryan Kumar, adjust your camera. Ryan Azhar Khan. Draw 153 degree angle. Shivam. Show me your notebook where you have drawn 153-degree angle. Drawn, children? Shivam, open your camera. I'm removing you now. Now let's move further. Now we have to divide this angle into two equal parts first of all. So we are going to bisect it. For bisecting it, take your compass in your hand. Any radius you can open it. Put your needle at O point and draw an arc. Draw an arc like this. This way. All of you draw an arc. This way, everybody draw an arc. Then measure it. Measure this arc. After drawing a arc, measure this arc. This way. All of you measure this arc. In this way, measure your arc. Measure it, everyone. Measure your arc like this. Measured. Now we are going to take more than half of it. Okay. So we are going to take more than half of it. After measuring it, we have taken more than half of this arc. Now we are going to cut the points. More than half we have taken from both the end points of the arc. From both the end points of the arc, cut this arc. So the intersection has been formed. So this point is called the bisector of O, angle BOA. This is half of 153-degree bisector. OC is the bisector of angle BOA. Both the parts we have taken. Now we are going to use this part and this part both ways. Half of this part has been, take one part as one angle and another part as another angle. Okay, we are going to take half of this angle here. We'll be using it. So we are going to take these 2 points. Now, after drawing the bisector, measure these points. All of you measure it and take more than half of it. Take more than half of it. After measuring these 2 points, take more than half of it. This way. Now from these 2 end points, we are going to cut an arc. One arc from this point, more than half. This way. This way we are going to cut one arc. And again we are keeping a needle over here and cut one arc here. Okay. Half arc you will going to measure it. And then draw the bisector of this half angle. Okay. Mark it as OD. This is half of COA. Half of COA. Now we are taking next half. This way, this angle we are going to take now. Okay. Next half we are going to take these points. First of all, we are going to measure these points. Then we'll take more than half of it. After measuring it, more than half. Take more than half. Cut half from one side. And this side both. Adit, Aradhya and Riyan Kumar, your cameras are still off. So OE will be the intersection point. This is OE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the 4 arcs which we have drawn. Draw ray OB, OA. Then at O, with the help of protector, construct an angle of AOB, that is 153-degree angle. We have drawn 153-degree angle with the help of protector. This way, we have drawn 153-degree angle. Then draw OC as the bisector of angle AOB. We have made a bisector of angle AOB. This bisector we have created over here. Taken more than half of it. Again, OD is the bisector of angle AOC. This is AOC. We are creating a bisector again OD. Again, draw OE as the bisector of angle BOC. We have taken BOC as an angle and we have created a bisector OE here. So OC, OD and OE divide angle AOB in 4 equal parts. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Got it, children? Write down the steps of construction. Yes, right, Laksh Jindal. Good. Write down the steps of construction. Yes, Kanishka, right. Saksham, correct. Write down steps now. Who else has drawn? Write down steps of construction, children. Chehek, Charvi, Joel, very good. Yes, Ridhima, Tanishk, you want to show? You can show it. Yes, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ridhima, correct. Yes, Charvi, Jan, right. I'm sending you steps of construction also.